city of Hyderabad? KCR-led TRS or OAC-headed AIMIM? Who has administrative control over the old city of Hyderabad, which forms part of New Telangana state capital? K. Chandrasekhar Rao-led TRS or his electoral ally All India Ittihadul-e-Muslimin, that is AIMIM, headed by Asaduddin Owaisi? Many are bound to ask this question as videos are making rounds on social media of people residing in areas surrounding south of River Musi, quite often violating the COVID-19 norms. The recent procession of Muharram festival in Old City violating the pandemic norms indeed exposes which of these parties enjoys their writ. This was in spite of the State High Court as well as the centre chiding the state government's failure to contain the pandemic from spread across the state. More so in the Old City, which forms part of Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation limits. Though opposition parties like Congress and BJP too are raising the issue time and again, yet it appears falling on deaf ears of KCR government. The KCR government has no control whatsoever in Old City localities where the MIM writ prevails is evident from incidents in which none other than the AIMIM legislators were seen preventing the civic administration staff from discharging their duties, especially in cornered off containment zones. Why civic authorities? Even several videos vouch how COVID violators in the Old City are seen assaulting the city police or prevented regional TV crews from discharging their duties. In that backdrop, the Muharram procession, which was taken out in the Old City, explains helplessness of the ruling TRS government in the new state. That too, when the State High Court in fact refused to grant permission to the organizers. Perhaps for the first time in over 400 years, many expected that there will be no traditional Bibi Ka Alam procession on the 10th day of Muharram in Hyderabad in the wake of High Court decision considering severe pandemic threat. Even the Supreme Court had also rejected a similar petition last week. Interestingly, for the first time in history, the Bibi Ka Alam procession was taken out on a van instead of a carpanized elephant leading it. The procession started from the Dabispura and passed via Charminar, Gulzar House, Purani Haveli, Dar ul Shifa, before finally ending at Chadar Ghat. In that backdrop, one wonders how come the city police granted permission to take out the Bibi Ka Alam procession and also provided bandobast too? Does it not tantamount to contempt of court? This is MS Purti for Orange News 9 TV.
For unbiased, accurate and in-depth news analysis, watch Orange News 9 TV on YouTube. Subscribe. Press bell icon, like, comment and share. Edited and promoted by seasoned journalist M.S. Shankar.